Hi, welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Eric Anderson. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I'd like to take you out on our lot and show you one of our new arrivals.
Here we have a 2013 Toyota Corolla S. It comes equipped with keyless entry, rain guards, and power heated side mirrors. The Toyota Corolla is a strong seller for the automaker and regularly comes in at or near the top of the compact sales chart. This Corolla has 16-inch 5-spoke alloyed wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Corolla is in great condition. It has multi-reflector halogen headlamps with black sport trim, along with fog lights, daytime running lights, and really nice color keyed grille with the iconic Toyota emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood you have a 4-cylinder 1.8 liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Corolla has a front-wheel drive and it's estimated that drivers receive an impressive 29 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Corolla has only 104,402 miles on it. At the back of the Corolla you can see a rear spoiler and the chrome-tipped exhaust along with large brake lights and sleek badging. Using your key fob you can open the trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you can see that it's very spacious. You can even lower the back seats right from the cargo area for more space as needed. This cargo area also features cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Corolla has been very well taken care of. Passengers can utilize the cup holders and the bottle holders. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with a nice metallic interior accent. Drivers and passengers alike will be very comfortable in the adjustable double-stitched sports fabric seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Corolla is also equipped with dual-zone glove box, in-dash storage, and a digital clock. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power mirrors with the driver one touch down. This Corolla has a very comfortable tilting and telescoping steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It is also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. This touchscreen display is home to the Entune multimedia features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3 and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and auxiliary ports. You also have large climate controls, and everything that you see is very easy to use.
If you have any questions, give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.